You know what really grinds my gears? Seeing good people, talented people, stuck in jobs they hate just because they think they have no other choice. If you feel trapped in your 9 to 5, waking up to an alarm you hate, working for a paycheck that barely covers your bills and waiting for the weekend just to feel alive, I have news for you. It's not your fault. The system was designed to keep you stuck. But let me tell you something. Those people living the dream life, working from anywhere, financially free, that could be you. This isn't some pipe dream. Today, I'm going to give you the blueprint to escape the 9 to 5 and build a life you love by making real money online in 2025. Stay till the end, because I'm going to reveal the #1 mistake most people make when trying to escape the 9 to 5. It's why they fail. Look, I'm gonna be straight up with you. The 9 to 5 system, it wasn't designed to make you rich, it was designed to make someone else rich. You trade your time for money, no work, no pay. You're dependent on a boss to decide how much you're worth. And you have limited time to actually build something for yourself. Most people spend their whole lives working for someone else's dream, only to retire broke and burnt out. But here's the difference. The rich, the successful ones, they understand leverage. They build assets, businesses, that make money for them 24/7, even while they sleep. That's the shift you need to make right now. Stop trading time for money, and start building multiple streams of income. That's how you win in this game. If you're serious about this, I need you to do something right now. Drop it in the comments if you're ready to break free from the 9 to 5 and build real wealth. Listen, I'm all about hustle, but you need a real plan. You can't just quit your job and hope for the best. So, let's talk about the 3 best ways to make money online in 2025. Number 1, freelancing. This is how you start building income today. What skills do you have? Writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management? There are people out there willing to pay you for those skills right now. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer can be your launchpad. We're talking $2,000 to $10,000 per month easy. Number 2, content creation. This is how you build long-term wealth and influence. Find your passion, whether it's gaming, cooking, fitness, or business, and start creating content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even start a blog. Grow your audience, connect with people, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and your own products. This is a marathon, not a sprint, but the potential is huge. Think $5,000 to $50,000 per month or even more down the line. Number 3, e-commerce and digital products. This is where you leverage the internet to sell. Create and sell online courses, ebooks, or even physical products through dropshipping. Platforms like Shopify, Gumroad, and Teachable are your friends here. The earning potential? Limitless. We're talking $5,000 to $100,000 or more per month. Listen, each of these models can work for you, but you gotta pick one and go all in. Chapter 3. Build your income streams, the smart way. Now here's where most people screw up. They get excited, they try to do everything at once, and they end up spreading themselves too thin. You wanna know the secret? Focus. Start with one stream of active income. That's your freelancing or content creation. Why? Because you can control how much you earn by putting in the work. Then, reinvest the profits from your active income into building passive income streams. Your e-commerce store, online courses, real estate, whatever you choose. The name of the game is leverage. You want to build a business that works for you, even when you're not working. And how do you do that? By automating and outsourcing as much as you can. The goal is to create a system that generates income without you constantly trading your time for it. That's how you escape the rat race. Chapter 4. How to quit your job safely. Alright, I know you're eager to ditch the 9 to 5, but don't be stupid about it. This isn't about reckless risk, it's about calculated execution. Here's how to do it right. Step 1. Build your safety net. Save up at least 6 months of living expenses. This gives you a cushion to fall back on while you're building your empire. Step 2. Replace your income. Don't even think about quitting until you're making at least 70% of your current salary from your online hustle. This proves your business model and gives you financial stability. Step 3, and this is crucial. Quit strategically. Don't burn bridges. Give your notice, be professional, and leave on good terms. You never know when those connections might come in handy, and trust me, once you've tasted freedom, you'll never want to go back. If you're serious about quitting, I need you to type, "I'm quitting the 9 to 5" in the comments right now. Let's make it happen. Escape the rat race. I've given you the blueprint, the exact steps to escape the 9 to 5 and build the life you deserve. But here's the thing, knowledge without action is worthless. You have to take what you've learned and execute. So here's what you're going to do right now. Smash that like button if this video fired you up. Let me know you're serious about this. Comment "I'm ready" if you're committed to financial freedom, and subscribe to the channel for more life-changing money tips.